we will create this product grid UI where you can select, for example, multiple products and stuff. I provide e-commerce development services. If you need it, check the link below and my email. This is a basic React setup, NextJS setup. So first, in this page TSX, the main page, I'm gonna import new arrivals from this path. We will create it, we don't have it yet. And then we're gonna make list of products. The first object product will have ID, name, price, image, URL. So all of my images are in public folder. You can download this from my GitHub in the description below. Then I'm gonna add a bunch of more products. You can copy this from the GitHub as well. Then I'm gonna export default function home and return something. So we're gonna make a div and then new arrivals and pass in the products. Now let's go to here components below and just create this new arrivals.tsx file. You don't need these other files, these are from different tutorials, but you just need this one. So let's code this file from scratch. We're gonna say use client and we're gonna make some imports. Now we're gonna import button and card and stuff, so we will have to install, we're gonna have to go here and I'm gonna say npx ShadCN -UI at latest init, and then just press yes to everything. And then after that you install that, you're just gonna say the same npx ShadCN UI latest add, and then add card button. So if you wanna learn more about this process, just Google ShadCN installation and then install these two. So you will have these components. You're gonna get this UI folder. Okay, next. Let's create interface product. Then we're gonna say new arrival props. New arrivals props. It's gonna be array of products. And then let's create this new arrivals component, passing the props, this structured products, create arrow function. We will export default this component. Okay, so the quantity, we're gonna start from 1. This is the variable. And then we have increment quantity, we will just increase by 1, or we will decrement quantity, but the minimum is 1. So we're gonna return something, section, let me close this, and then another div with ID new arrivals, although we are not using it for now. Just make these classes so the UI is adjustable to all screen sizes. And then let's map products, make a card. This is ShadCN card, make another div and put in the image. If I save this, this should immediately work. So this is what we have right now. It's a bit messed up, so let's add some class names. So on hover it will scale a bit, and we have object cover, so it gets cut. So let me save this, and now it looks a lot better. Then let's go below and add some card content below. Product name, this is the company, Tasty Pastry, and then we're gonna say product price, and then another div, and inside of this div another div, and that will be button for incrementing, decrementing quantity. So we have minus icon from Lucid React. You can npm install Lucid React if you don't have it, this one, but you will have it if you installed ShadCN. And then we're gonna say number quantity, and below another button to increase the quantity, and the plus icon. Then add to cart button, and on click we're gonna just console log this, it doesn't matter. And then we will add to cart here, just say add to cart, and if you save that you will have this whole grid. Thank you for watching. You can find this code in the GitHub below. I provide e-commerce building development services. You can find the links below.